So I'm excited to finally be able to do this unboxing so that I can actually wear my items. Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm doing a triple unboxing. Two of these items are actually from Selfridges and the other one is from Dior. So I've been holding on to these boxes for a few days now. I'm sorry, I have my little fur ball down here, but yeah, hey. But I've had these for a few days and I haven't been able to do an unboxing just because you probably noticed that the filming area is a little bit different, and the reason being my closet is actually being remodeled. I'm having a custom closet put in for me and my husband. So right now my bedroom is a mess along with my living room because we have all of our items just scattered everywhere in those two rooms. So I've had to actually pick the dining room to do this video today. I hope the lighting's okay. I think it will be because I do have natural light here on my left side. So hopefully I will like it, and maybe we will continue doing them here, or I don't know, maybe I'll film in the closet even. I'm not sure, but anyway, so along with this unboxing, this, like I said, is from Selfridges. I have never ordered anything from them before, but I did order two items just to try them out to see if I like them. The shipping was pretty fast, so that was awesome. So let's start with this first box from Selfridges. So it has this little easy tab, which I like. I don't have to use a box cutter. And I know their signature color is yellow. So this is where I got it from, Selfridges & Co. So here's my receipt for both items. And all right, so the first one comes wrapped up in this pretty yellow striped tissue paper. And we'll get to that one first. Well, I'll put that to the side. And then I'll take out my second item, which is, you probably already know what it is because of the box size, but it is a pair of shoes. And I'll put this down here. So, opening this one first. And as you can see, it's a Saint Laurent piece. Really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't return me. All right, so this is right on top, but it's already removed, so I don't get it. But anyway, so we have this little tag, and it comes with this little dust bag. Ooh. So I got a tiny little YSL clutch. I've been eyeing this piece for a little bit now, and I actually wanted a little clutch to try out, since you guys know I did, or you may not, but I just recently started using YSL products. I started with their handbags and I like them so far. You probably saw in my last video that I mentioned that I was trying other brands out just because I wasn't too happy with Louis Vuitton, and besides, their quality is not been up to par lately. I've had a little bit of issues with some of my items. But anyway, back to this. I do really like it. I just thought about getting this to just carry, because it does have a little strap here so we can carry as a wristlet. This. So I'm really excited about this. The quality feels really nice. The leather feels so soft. And inside, let's see, has this little cardboard. We have the Saint Laurent booklet, and I wanted to show you the inside. So it kind of already has card slots for you to house your cards in here, or if you didn't want to, of course, you can use a card holder, but it's a pretty decent size, and I thought it would be good to just like a grab and go piece instead of maybe carrying my purse all the time. I can just carry this out super quick on an errand, or even for a date night. I think it looks really, really nice. So I'm really liking this. And with pricing, I did try Selfridges because of this next item that I'm about to show you. So the prices are in euros. This is 485 euros. And let's see. It does translate here for $515. And that is a little bit cheaper than you would get in the United States. So I feel like that's a good deal if you wanted to try Selfridges. The prices are a little bit different. They vary from item to item. But I did want to show you these Gucci shoes. So let's go on to unboxing this second item. So as you can see, of course, they are Gucci shoes and they come with their little booklets. Alright, and 2 dust bags. And the shoes that I got were actually sneakers. And again, it's the little sticker that says really sorry, but if you remove it, you can't return me, but it was already like that, but whatever. Okay, so I got these Gucci sneakers and I wanted to try some sneakers from a luxury brand, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to do Gucci or I wanted to do Alexander McQueen. So I decided on these because I felt like they were more neutral and barely had any bright colors. So I wanted some understated shoe, and this one is pretty understated. The only Gucci logo that you see is in the back here, and then the 2 double GGs that are perforated here on the side, but you can't really tell. I think they're beautiful. I was on the fence about sizing. These do look perfect for me. I ordered in a size 36. I am a true 6.5 in US sizes, but I ordered a 36 because I saw on the reviews people were saying that these run a little bit big, so to order a size down. So that's what I did. I ordered a 36, and like I said, I am a true 6.5. Alright, so these are the shoes, the sneakers. I think they're so cute. Really, really pretty. But like I was saying, I was going to let you know about pricing. So, if you wanted to know what the name of these are, they are the New Ace Perforated GG white sneaker. So this is what the label looks like on the box if you were interested. And like I was saying about prices, so I'm not too sure, but I think it was $660, something like that. These sneakers run here in the US, so about $660, hopefully I'm not mistaken, but I saw them at Neiman Marcus for that price, and Gucci of course has them for that price. But when I was on the Selfridges website, they are actually $440. So I thought that that was a good opportunity not to pass up, and I will show you here if I can. So it is the second one here where my finger is, if you can see, $440, and that is an amazing deal. You do have to pay a little bit more for, I don't know what it is that you pay more for, if it's the taxes, if it's for shipping, but shipping did run me $30 for these 2 items, and I think that that is the standard for them. It's $30 to ship here to the US, but I still feel like the price is justifiable. Even though the shipping was $30, I feel like $440 versus $600 and some dollars is a good discount. So I'm really excited. I really like these. I don't know about the return policy, so if they don't fit, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm sure they fit. I'm sure they're fine, and I can of course do a later video showing you these shoes and maybe with some outfits or whatnot. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. So let's move on to the Dior unboxing. Oops. So I have had these boxes for a little bit now, and I am really anxious to open them because I want to wear them. The weather's been super pretty outside, especially this item that I'm about to show you. I've been so excited about. So I was on the Dior website. I've been on the hunt for some luxury sandals, and I finally found some that I liked. I actually wanted some white ones, and I was on the fence between the Louis Vuitton ones that are, I believe it's called Locket Front Mule, something like that, but they're white and they have like a little understated stamped logo. But like I said, I'm not too happy with them, so I went with the Dior's, and they don't have a white, so I went with the closer color to white that I could find. But anyway, let's stop talking and let's open these boxes. By the way, I will be talking while I open this. That on the website, these sandals were sold out, and I was stalking the site for a while, and they never came back in stock in my size, or what I thought is my size. Hopefully they do fit. So like I said, I'm a 6.5, but I did order a size 37 in these sandals because I know that in the reviews everyone was saying to size up, so that's what I did. Reviews are so helpful. But anyway, they were sold out, and I had to order from a boutique. So all I did was I looked up the item online, and then on the site there is a section to where you can type in to find in boutique. So that's exactly what I did, and these were actually shipped from Miami, from the Dior in Miami. It wasn't hard at all. The customer service was fine. The only thing that they required was that your billing statement matched the same address where you were getting your item shipped to, which mine of course did. So that was good. Oh my god, this is like so freaking horrible to open. So I was actually hoping for the holiday packaging. I know that that is old, but I really wanted that packaging, but that's fine. And here is my receipt. Okay. I'm really excited to show you these. So, just like the Gucci ones, we have two pretty little dust bags. These are so cute, and these are the Christian Dior Douai sandals, and the color that I chose was the light gray color. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the color because I cannot speak French. So, and just by looking at it, I know that they do fit. And like I said, I ordered a 37, and the bottom just feels like leather and some cloth here on the top. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I'm so excited about these. I'm so happy that I actually called the boutique because they were sold out and never came back in stock. So I'm so happy. I love these shoes. Yay. Alright, so this is it for my triple unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I do enjoy making these videos for you. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That would be amazing if you did, if you want to continue watching videos. And let's not forget to be kind to one another. Please, please, let's not forget that. That is so, so important, to love each other and be very, very kind to one another. And I will be leaving 2 more videos of mine linked above if you do want to continue watching them. And I will see you guys next time. As always, thank you for watching.